Everyone that I've come in contact with Semper Solaris has just been outstanding, whether it's to my kids, my wife, myself. We love living in Alpine because of the proximity to the city, the small town nature. Certainly love being close to everything, but a little bit further away. And a number of years ago, we started to look at the options for solar as our family grew. We had 2 children, and so as they got older, started using more energy, turning on the air conditioning in the evening, heating the house to keep them comfortable. Without solar and having a high power bill every month, it kind of straps you as a family. Don't turn the lights. Oh, we can't do that now. So we decided to look into solar options and explored a few different companies. But the number one company for us, we felt, was Semper Solaris. We're extremely happy. We did everything, got everything done within about a month from the start to finish. Everyone that I've come in contact with Semper Solaris has just been outstanding, whether it's to my kids, my wife, myself, what they give back to the community, whether it's with the veterans or with the military in general. It just makes us proud, to have their work in our home and to share that with our family and friends, and why we went with them and how important it is for us to share that with everybody and why they should go with Semper Solaris as well, because of that impact. Proud to recommend them. We're just proud of their company, and certainly their product shows. When they come into the house, they see how the solar operates and how it works seamlessly, and how low the power bill is just consistently.
Solar, roofing, windows, HVAC, Semper Home.